All right, now this is how to charge your camper. There's 1, 2, 3 solar panels, 4 up there, 1 on the cargo carrier. Oh my gosh. Now this is compact camping at its finest. You got everything you need, nothing more than that. And let me have a little peek inside. Can I have a peek? Oh, there's a table. Very cool.
Drop-down cooking area.
Drop-down cooking area.
48
quart
48 gallon or quart, whatever
cooler.
it is. Cooler, refrigerator, freezer, induction hot plate. And I've got
Go for it.
10, 20, and 8 pounds up here. And then I've got my surprise little monster here.
What is Oh my gosh.
Yes.
What's the monster's name?
Lucky Luck.
Good morning, Lucky Luck. How you doing?
Yes, Lucky Luck is doing
put
great.
out another solar thing?
Yes, and this here I got at where was it? Was it discount? No, it was Tyson Wells. There was somebody.
How much was it?
It was, it was 60.
60, okay.
60 and 30. I think I got this either at Solar Bills or discount.
Okay.
But this is so cool. At night I have it up here.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So you can find your
on the
van.
other side, and when it stays lit very dimly, but as soon as something moves, it goes to full brightness. So that way, you know, you're not peeing on yourself.
Oh my gosh, that is pretty cool. Now you have a ton of electric
So this
power.
here's the other one too. This is for this side, this goes on that side.
Oh my gosh.
I've got my table, my chairs up there, my compost toilet up there. And I've got a WeBoost up there. So the WeBoost has worked really well.
You're happy with the WeBoost?
Yeah, because I've got a hotspot, and it actually pulls in the LT to, what is it, the G4 LTE.
Right.
So I've been able to get way out even by Gold Nugget Road or whatever.
Oh yeah.
I got 5 bars out there.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Now what's the name of your vehicle?
The name of my vehicle?
Yeah, what brand and everything?
Oh, this is a Sorrento.
Ah, a Kia Sorrento. Are you happy with
Kia
it?
Sorrento.
I can't believe
all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
3-inch lift kit on it.
It was kind of on a budget, so
And it's all-wheel drive lift kit. And then I just had the engine redone. You know, not major,
Right.
but anything that leaked, that was taken care of.
Are you full-time or part-time?
Full-time.
Full-time?
I got rid of all my apartment and everything's in storage.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I just got on the road December 22nd.
And do you like this? Camping?
Yes. Yeah,
oh my gosh.
I've been doing it half-time for the last 7 years.
All right.
And I used to I follow a lot to get ideas, was SUV, RV.
Oh yeah.
Tristan. And so I've been doing it the last 7 years of my teaching. And I would do it on weekends, vacation times, I'd take to the road. Summertime, I had she passed November 10th.
Okay.
Tippy. And she was my 20-year-old. I got her when I was 50, and now I'm 70.
A puppy?
So, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
So she was a Chihuahua. She lived 20 years, but she and I made it all the way up to Glacier National Park from Truth or Consequences,
New Mexico. Oh my gosh.
That's where I taught for the
Wait a
last
minute.
7 years.
I had another important question for you. Where is your favorite place to camp?
Right now, down here is...
I mean, I'm a stealth camper. I'm a city stealth camper. But
stealth. Yeah, I can't get into stealth camping because it's obvious.
do you like BLM or National
BLM,
Forest?
Yeah, BLM, National Forests are the best.
And do you have a social media?
Yeah, it's called the United States of Minds on YouTube.
All right, thank you. I will tell my viewers to look for you there.
Woohoo!
And your name is?
John Swasinski.
John Swasinski.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the interview.
You're welcome.
You have helped so many people, and give me your social media again.
So what?
Your YouTube channel.
Oh, the YouTube channel is the United States of Minds.
All right.
It's like everybody's got one, you know what I mean?
You got it. Thank you.
Opinions, minds, etc.
Ah, I love it. Thank you.
Right, okay.